Fjölþjóðlegi listahópurinn Hello Earth hefur síðustu dagastað fyrir kosningum til hamingjuráðuneytis Fljótsdalshéraðs. Kjörkassi hefur undanfarna viku staðið í miðbæ Egilsstaða og þangað hafa heimamenn geta skilað atkvæðum sínum.
The point of the voting is to open a dialogue, to look at to open a dialogue and make people engage in thinking like what are values that we really have dear, what are things that really matter to us, and actually just be curious to meet people and to think together about these kind of things.
5 manns mynda hópinn sem hefur verið við störf í Sláturhúsi á Egilsstöðum undanfarna 3 vikur og nota tækifæri til að kynna sér mannlífið á héraði. Meðal annars var boðið til opinnar vinnustofu í Sláturhúsinu. Þau segi héraðsbúa hafa tekið þeim opnum örmum og hjálpað þeim dyggilega við vinnuna.
Our experience was that there was many open doors. Like it was it was always a yes. Like whatever we suggested, tried, asked somebody, it was always a yes, and then also people added more things. So it was a total pleasure to be here in a way.
Úrslit úr kosningunum verða kunngjörð við Snæfellsstofu á Skriðuklaustri á sunnudag, en hópurinn býður þar til 100 sálna súpu. Markmið hópsins meðal annars að fá þátttakendur til að tengjast umhverfinu. Því mikilvægt að gestir mæti klæddir til útiveru.
You can expect it will be an afternoon that is fun. That is a kind of we will do things together. We will do very playful things together. We will talk, and what we do is we more invite people into a thing that we do together than that we show something. The point the point is to offer or to together kind of offer a space to be together and have experience together in a maybe slightly different way than we usually do. We were working with how can we create meeting spaces and how can we meet with nature and what are meetings in general. So it's all about meeting each other, meeting nature and reflect upon that, but in a very playful way.